हेलो ब्यूटीज वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल अगेन सो अगर तुसी पहली वीडियो देख के दूजी वीडियो ले पार्ट ले आए हो तो वेलकम जे तुसी ए वीडियो पहले देख के फिर पहले पार्ट च जाना है ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਫੁੱਲ ਫੇਸ ਯੂਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਹੁਡਾ ਬਿਊਟੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟਸ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਾਰਟ 1 ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਇਟਸ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ ਔਨ ਮਾਈ ਚੈਨਲ ਪਾਰਟ 1 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਈ ਸ਼ੋਡ ਹਾਊ ਆਈ ਡਿਡ ਮਾਈ ਫੁੱਲ ਫੇਸ ਯੂਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਓਨਲੀ ਹੁਡਾ ਬਿਊਟੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟਸ ਐਂਡ ਯੂ ਕੈਨ see what I used in the part 1 including the lips as well. But in this video I'm going to do an eye look using the Icy Nude palette. You all know how popular this palette is. This is the last big palette Huda is ever gonna basically do. This is what the announcement was. This is her last big palette. She won't be doing any more big palettes after this, maybe small but not the big ones. So if you haven't got your hands on the Icy Nude, get it. If nothing else, it's a collector edition for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the look using Huda's Icy Nude today. Alright, my beauties, let's start the look. First of all, I'm going to use Huda Beauty concealer in shade Sugar Biscuit. You can use any concealer. Doesn't have to be a Huda Beauty one. You can use any concealer as your eye base. I'm using a brush to blend everything out. I would give one tip: if you have a lot of creases on your eyelids, make sure you go with the sponge to smooth out the concealer after your brush as well, because that will give you quite a bit more clean canvas and creaseless canvas to work on. Then take a little bit of a loose setting powder on a big fluffy eyeshadow brush and just set your concealer in place first. If you do not do this step or skip this step, when you apply your eyeshadows, it's going to stick with the concealer and it's going to be really hard to blend your eyeshadows. So this by setting with a little bit setting powder, it gives you a clean canvas to work on. This is a very easy look. Anyone can do this eye look very easily. I'm going to take the palette and going to take the shade Unapologetic on a disposable eyeshadow wand. You really don't need a brush in order to create this look. If you have a disposable eyeshadow wand or even a Q-tip, you can do this very easily. I'm going to pack this shade on the outer part of my eye and also in the inner part of my eye using the same disposable wand. The shape of the wand actually helps to create this look even more easily. You don't have to be an expert in artistry in order to do this look. This is a very easy look, very easy. Anyone can do it. Now with the same disposable wand and the same color, I'm going to apply on my lower lash line, again on the outer part and in the inner part. Now I'm going to take a very small blending brush, it's CBC tiny blending brush, and I'm just going to start blending this shade out. This brush will help to create another gradient of the same color, so you will have a 3D effect immediately without even adding another shade. This step does require a little bit of a patience, so don't rush it. Take your time. Now I'm going to take the shade First Class and I'm going to apply this on the outer part of the same Unapologetic shade. This will create another gradient. Now I'm taking the shade VVS just with my finger, packing it right in the middle of. I'm going to take the shade Gold Standards and pack it on the bottom part of my lower lash line. And there we have it. The most easiest eye look to do using Huda's Icy Nude palette. Do not get put off by all the cool tones. Honestly, like Icy Nude is one of the best palette you will use because it is a beautiful warm plus cool tone eyeshadow palette which you can easily use to create multiple different eye looks. So this is what I did today. If you want to see any more variations, if you want me to use a specific shade from the palette and show you a look, let me know. I'm happy to create that. But hope you enjoyed this eye tutorial. Super duper easy, super duper nice, and only need couple of tools honestly. And I didn't use even the whole palette. I only used like 3 shades in a palette, and this is how it looks. Hope you enjoyed it. Love you all. Take care. Bye.